Hey there everybody, today is Monday, February the 17th, 2025, about 3:20 or so in the afternoon. What you're looking at is Stephen F. Austin State Park in Texas, right outside of San Felipe. And this is a part of the campsite that we are in. It goes out here to the street. Let me turn and show you. We get this area here. That's our picnic table, lantern post, grill over there. The car is right here. There is the camper. The truck ain't here right now, but it will be tomorrow. I'm going to explain this whole thing to you. We're paying $25 a night. We have full hookups here. And I'll show those to you in a minute. But you see the camper here. So let me show you already. Look at the space that we have out that way. And then out this way, you can see we go all the way out to the street out there. So all of this section here and area is ours. This is spot 16. All of these are pull-throughs. You see how that guy's in there? That's a park coast over there. And us, see, we just pulled in here, pull straight through, and then tomorrow when I bring the truck and hook up, we'll pull straight out, and that'll be it. But you can see right there is sewer. There's our water, and then of course electric. This is site 16, as I told you, and they have just 30 amp, I think. Yeah, it's just 30 amp, and then 110s there. And but easy hookup and all that. You see, you got these little barriers here. So it's a nice little park. We just walked one trail today. In fact, that video should have just come out just before this one, and you'll meet my granddaughter in that one. So if you haven't watched it, you need to go back and watch it. On TV, we get like, I think it's 70 channels on over-the-air TV, antenna TV. And here's the one thing. I can't tell you that it's quiet at night or anything, but I can tell you I suspect that it is. Why can't I tell you that? We got here Saturday, and like I said, this is Monday. So this trailer's been here since Saturday afternoon. So it spent Saturday night here, Sunday night, and it will spend the night here. When I keep saying it spent the night here, that's because we haven't. We've not spent one night here. We are staying over at our kids' house over in the Houston area with our granddaughter to visit her before we start on this big trek that we're doing here. And you're probably starting to get the theme by now. If not, you'll definitely get it on the next go. But I would imagine it's quiet here. It was pretty busy when we came here on Saturday, but it's cleared out, and there's quite a number of empty spots now. There's about 5 trailers down that way, and one of them's a park coast. And then, like I said, this guy's a park coast. But that's one over there, and there's one over there, and there's one over there. I mean, and then run past them is more. So, I mean, there's some people here still, don't get me wrong, but there's a lot of empty spots. But, you know, full hookups for that price, I think it's a good deal in a state park. And from here on out, it's going to be different for us because it's just going to be the two of us and traveling on through. And we'll get to give you better, more in-depth things to do. But hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourself now.